In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the coolant reservoir on your Honda Pilot. This is located in the engine bay under the front cowl. Let's get started. To remove the reservoir, first we're just going to pull off the hose coming from the radiator. We can set that off to the side here. Next we're going to pull up on the reservoir and pull it out of its bracket. Be careful not to spill any coolant. There's a small bracket down in the engine bay that this notch slides into. We can line our notch up with the bracket. And you'll feel a slight pop when it sets into place. We can reinstall our hose. Now we'll remove our cap and fill the reservoir to the low line. If you look on the side of your reservoir, you'll see a max and a min line. We're going to fill it to the min line. That looks good. And we can place our reservoir cap back on and thread it down. Make sure that the hose that goes into the reservoir is reaching down to the bottom of the reservoir so it can pick up the coolant.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.